In this presentation, we'll review the options you have for checking important aspects of your operating environment to ensure optimal performance, and how to get additional help with 3DEXPERIENCE platform. 3DEXPERIENCE on Dassault Cloud is reliably available and always up to date with the latest release and hotfixes. The data centers that the platform is installed on are completely managed for you behind the scenes by skilled Dassault staff. They take care of all the system infrastructure tasks that a traditional IT department would perform for on-premise installations. There will be times when maintenance is being performed by Dassault and you will experience an outage, but unplanned outages are very rare. Planned outages are usually short in duration and performed during off hours to minimize disruption to your operation of the platform. You normally will receive an email notification about planned outages well in advance of the date and time they will occur, and they are usually related to platform updates or implementing new releases. To test the performance of your client computer, you can go to About 3DEXPERIENCE Platform under Help. In the first panel, you will see information about your current release and hotfix level. Under the Support panel, you can see your network performance statistics and can download an information file which may help your support team analyze any problem you might be having with connectivity. The final panel provides you with a QR code to assist in pairing your mobile device for use with 3DEXPERIENCE platform. First, download the mobile app from the store your device uses, and then search for 3DEXPERIENCE app to find it. The app is a 3D Swym app, and once you install it, you can scan the QR code, log in with your credentials, and will have connectivity from your mobile device. You can connect to the Swym communities on your platform or any other platform that you have been granted membership on. This includes accessing the communities on the greater Dassault ecosystem. You can create communities, add posts to existing communities, and respond to other members. Pairing your mobile device gives you improved portability of 3DEXPERIENCE access. The app is often enhanced to provide members, administrators, and others with more functionality to engage with the platform and expand their experience with it. Returning to Help, you can click the Get Support menu to open another web page in a new tab. You may wish to bookmark this page in your browser for reference so that you can open it when your 3DEXPERIENCE environment is giving you access problems. At the beginning of this web page are some useful access points to test to see if your computer hardware and software comply with Dassault requirements. You will need to download and run the checker to get your report. In this example, you can see that the computer being tested technically fails because it is using a later release of the Windows 11 operating system than the one that has been accredited by Dassault. There are also some informational and advisory alerts in this report. Your report will be different from this one, but it is not uncommon to have some alerts that may need to be addressed. The report will give you a baseline to work from for self-correcting your environment before escalating any issues you have to Dassault support. At the bottom of the report are links to communities and the Dassault knowledge base for additional help. The Cloud Onboarding section contains more help and some Dassault videos presenting the same basics that we've been covering in this series of videos, but with less detail. Essential Guides will open pathways to several guides, which will be useful to review depending on your role and the apps you use. One of these guides is User Assistance, which will send you to the online DASO portal for the complete user documentation. Nobody likes to wade through and read documentation, but the information is well organized and easily navigable. It will pay for you to review an application in the documentation before escalating a question to your support team. Returning to the Cloud Support menu and scrolling further down, you can see the status of the DASO Cloud servers organized by platform category. Typically, your platform will be under the Customer category. Customers can see the status based on their geo. You can also see a record of past month-by-month availability by clicking the History icon. As you can see, 3DEXPERIENCE platform on cloud is very reliable. Thank you for viewing this Options for User Assistance presentation. Please continue to our Intro to Native Apps to learn how to install and launch 3DEXPERIENCE desktop applications.